Looking for a powerful and compact loader for your farm or garden? Introducing the custom mini skid steer loader. With a heavy-duty 3-wheel design, 25 horsepower, and multifunctional bucket attachment, this machine is built to work. And best of all, it ships free to North America, Europe, Southeast Asia, and more. Every unit is custom made to match your local environmental standards and your specific needs. Plus, you're backed by a 1-year warranty and full inspection reports. Want it delivered straight to your door? We've got DDP options available.